What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 errors, and then the error is NW-102311-8. A communication error has occurred while connected to the PlayStation network. Simply it's a network problem. So we are just going to fix this up, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Wait, and we go to the settings. Here we are, settings and user and account. So you must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and login settings, you must check the login setting. Your console is logged in or not. Sometime automatically check in, and if you require a password, put a password, but turn off the password. And view PlayStation Network services, so you must check the server. Sometimes the server is down, so you're working with the updates or anything maintenance. That's why you get this error. Go to the settings, set up internet connection. You just use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi. You set the frequency settings, advanced settings. Forget the connection and connect it again. MTU setting, DNS settings manually. You can set it which one is working good in your country. Just put it back there and connect with the new connection. So that's simply you can fix this error, a kind of network error. And network error, if all you do it but it's not working, you must contact with your local internet provider. Maybe it's a networking because of your local internet. They can help you, they can fix the internet connection, or maybe the speed problem. That's why sometimes your group chat is not working, party is not working. So that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.